In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix ASUS laptop keeps shutting down and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what we need to do is we have to go over here, search here for View Advanced System Setting. You have to click on this one. And from here, under we can see there is an option called Startup and Recovery, System Startup, System Failure and Debugging Information. Just click on this particular settings here. And as you can see under the System Failure, the automatically restart is being set. So you have to uncheck this and go for OK, and you have to save this. After this, you have to check, and still if you're facing this issue, you have to go over here, search here for settings. Then you have to click on the settings here. Now from here, what you need to do is you just need to click on the system over here. Now from here, you have to scroll it down and navigate to the power. Now from here, click on screen, sleep and hibernate timeouts. As you can see, there are many options under the plugged in. Change all these things to never. You have to drop down arrow here, change this to never. If you're using a laptop, you'll be having plugged in as well as on battery over here. You have to change the same over here like in the plugged in on battery as well. Set this to never. And once you set this up, what you need to do is you have to go over here, search here for CMD. Make sure that you run this as an administrator and go for yes. Now we need to type SFC, put a space /scan now, and you have to press enter. Now keep in mind this is going to take a lot of time. So after this is successfully done, you have to check with your computer after doing a restart, and most probably that's going to help. Still, if you're having the trouble, you just need to go over here in the search, type here for control panel, then click on the control panel. Now from here, make sure that you set this to large icons. From here, you have to click on the power options here. Now from here, click on choose what the power planks does, and also click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Now from here, make sure that you uncheck this one over here called turn on fast startup. You have to uncheck this, and once you uncheck this, go for scene changes and you have to check. So these are the steps when it comes to how to fix this, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.